Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my live recording session. I'm your host Gnez-Trader, and today we have a special day because I was trading on a laptop. But before I'm continuing with this story, I am your host Gnez-Trader, but I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor or anything related to that. I just post videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get into the video. So as you can see over here, I was interested in Apple going short. While Apple was going short, everything was also going short. The S&P 500, for example, that was going tremendously down. However, Apple did not went as well as the rest of the stocks. The rest of the stocks were falling. Apple was behind, far behind. Let me just say that. I'm not complaining because Apple still made me money. However, I could have made much more money, of course, with another stock. But let's forget about that. I was trading on my laptop, and I don't even know the reason why I was trading on a laptop, because I thought this day was the day that I was trading while I was waiting at the hospital. However, it was not that day. So I'm still thinking about what day I went outside but did the live recording trade. And I can remember another day where I traded on my laptop. However, I remember correctly that I lost that trade. So that's definitely not that day. So unfortunately, I do not know what happened that I had to trade on my laptop. However, I still made money, and that's the only important stuff, right? Right. Okay, so the S&P 500 went down quickly, and the Qs as well. However, Apple did not move as much, and as you can see at the other stock, it went down crazy. While Apple didn't move that much, but eventually, as you can see, after the pullback of the S&P 500, it was falling again, and Apple was also hitting breaking that low of the day break. We call when you have the lowest point of that day, and the stock will break through that day, as you can see over here, because it's going lower than the previous one, and therefore it's called a low of the day break. So that was amazing, and I thought the S&P 500 would bounce back because it was hitting the support level, as you can see over there. However, the Apple was going downwards, and I thought, okay, now is the point. Apple was going down, and the S&P 500 was actually still at the position of a support line, but eventually went down as well again. So I thought, okay, there's another position, there's another support line, and we'll wait when it hits that. And when it hits that, we see a movement going backwards. I was happy with the trade and thought it will go the opposite way, as you can see over there. So I moved my stop loss to a better position. Is it correct? No, I didn't. Okay, no, the S&P 500 went down again, again and again. So I was waiting for Apple to continue with that as well. As you can see over there, basically I'm just waiting to see a good confirmation when I move my stop loss. I did move my stop loss. However, it went down again and again, and the S&P 500 also going down, and Apple hit another support line and hit another support line. So I didn't know when to go backwards. However, because of this, I think, yes, this was the place because it was enough money, and it as an extension of a pretty long extension, especially the S&P 500, and therefore I stopped, and now I'm done. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.